sa release noong 2008 September 23. At ito po ang mga napadagdag sa ating mga ilalathala sa subject na ito. Download and updates by Android Market, web browser, camera support, Gmail contacts and Google Agenda, Google Maps at ang YouTube application. Sunod po ang Android 1.1 na tinatawag na Banana Bread. Siya po ay nirelease noong 2009 February 9. Ito po ang mga napadagdag dito. Show and hide numeric keywords and color application at ang ability to save MMS attachment. Sumunod po ang Android 1.5 na tinatawag na Cupcake. Siya po ay nirelease noong 2009 April 30. At mga napadagdag po dito ay Android 8, 2DP, Bluetooth, AB, RCP support, soft keyboard with text, prediction, record, watch videos. Sumunod naman po ang Android 1.6 na tinatawag na Donut. Siya po ay nirelease noong 2009 September 15. At ang mga napadagdag po dito ay gesture, framework, at ang turn-by-turn navigation. Sumunod po ang Android 2.0 na tinatawag na Eclair. Siya po ay nirelease noong 2009 October 26. At ang mga napadagdag po dito ay HTML, Digital Zoom, Microsoft Exchange support, Bluetooth 2.1, live wallpapers at update UI. Sumunod naman po ang Android 2.0.1. At ito po ay nirelease noong 2009 December 3. Wala pong napadagdag sa version na ito. Dito naman po ang sumunod ay Android 2.1. At ito ay nirelease noong 2010 January 12. At ang napadagdag po dito ay update UI. Sumunod naman po ang Android 2.2 na tinatawag na Roy. At ang napadagdag po sa ang release po pala nitong date ay 2010 May 20. At ang mga napadagdag po dito ay speed improvements at JIT implementation, USB tethering application, installation to the expandable memory, upload file support in the browse, animated GIFs. Sumunod naman po ang Android 2.3 na tinatawag na Gingerbread. At ito po ay nirelease noong 2010 December 6. Ang mga napadagdag po dito ay update UI, improve keyboard, ease of use, improve copy paste, improve power management, social networking features, near field communication support, native VoIP o tinatawag na SIP support, video call support. Sumunod naman po ang Android 2.3.3. Ito po ay nirelease noong 2011 February 9. Wala pong nakahalat-hala dito. Sumunod naman po ang Android 2.3.4. Ito po ay nirelease noong 2011 May 10. At ang mga napasama po dito ay voice or video chat using Google Talk. Sunod naman po ang Android 2.3.5. Siya po ay nirelease noong 2011 July 25. Ang mga napadagdag po dito ay improved network performance for the Nexus S 4G, fix Bluetooth issues on the Samsung Galaxy S, Gmail application improvements. Android 2.3.6. Ito po ay nirelease noong 2011 September 2 at ang napadagdag lang po dito ay voice searching issue Android 2.3.7. Siya po ay nirelease noong 2011, September 11. At ang napatagdag po dito ay Google Wallet support for the Nexus 4G. Sumunod naman po ang Android 3.0 na tinatawag na Honeycomb. Nirelease po ito noong 2011, February 22. At ang napatagdag po dito ay masyadong madami. Multi-core support, better tablet support, updated 3G UI, composed of customization, home screen, application viewing, keyboard layout, media picture transport protocol, Google Talk video chat, Google eBooks, private browsing, system-wide clipboard, HTTP live stream.
Android 4.0. Kilala ito bilang ice cream sandwich at nirelease ito noong October 18, 2011. At ito yung kanyang mga features added. New lock screen actions, improved text input and spell checking, control over network data, email application supports EAS version 14, Wi-Fi Direct, Bluetooth Health Device Profile. Android 4.0.2 nirelease ito noong November 28, 2011 at ang features added niya ay minor fixes. Android 4.0.1 nirelease ito noong October 19, 2011 at ang kanyang features added ay facial recognition, UI use hardware acceleration, better voice recognition, web browser allows up to 16 tabs, update launcher, Android Beam application to exchange data through NFC. Android 4.0.3 nirelease ito noong December 16, 2011. Features added, social stream API in contacts provider to show updates associated to your contacts, video stabilization and QVGA video resolution API accessibility API refinements for screen readers, calendar provider updates. Android 4.04 nirelease ito noong March 28, 2012. Ang kanyang features added, stability improvements, better camera performance, smoother screen rotation. Android 4.1, kilala ito bilang Jelly Bean at nirelease ito noong July 9, 2012. Features added, Google Now, voice search, speed enhancement, camera application improvements, accessibility, gesture mode, enable braille external keyboards. Android 4.1.1 nirelease ito noong July 23, 2012. Features added, fix a bug on screen orientation. Android 4.1.2 nirelease ito noong October 9, 2012. Features added, enable home screen rotation, fix bugs and enhance performance. Android 4.2 November 13, 2012 ang release. Kilala ng bilang features added, lock screen widgets, 360-degree image with photosphere, gesture typing for faster typing, wireless display with Miracast, Daydream to display information when idle or docked, multi-user for tablets. Android 4.2.1 released on November 27, 2012. Features added: fix missing December bug in the People application. Add support for Bluetooth gamepads and joysticks HD device. Android 4.2.2 released on Feb 11 to 2013. Features added: allow toggling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth state in quick settings using long press. Shows the percentage and estimated time remaining in the active download notifications. Wireless charging and low battery sounds change. Gallery app updated for faster loading with new image transition. Performance enhanced and bug fixes. Bluetooth A2DP audio streaming fix. Android 4.3 release date on January 24, 2013. Features added: dial pad autocomplete, photosphere enhancement, camera app UI updated, 4K resolution support, ability to create restricted profiles for tablets, Hebrew and Arabic right to left support, Bluetooth low energy support, Bluetooth audio video remote control profile support, security and performance enhancements. Android 4.4 kilala bilang KitKat at nirelease ito noong October 31, 2013. Keep user features added: screen recording, new translucent system, enhanced notification access, system-wide setting for closed captioning, performance improvements. Android 4.4.1 nirelease ito noong December 5, 2013. Features added: bug fixes, enhance the camera on the Nexus 5. Android 4.4.2 nirelease ito noong December 9, 2013. Features added: bug fixes and security enhancements. Android 4.4.3 nirelease ng date noong April 14, 2014. Features added: bug fixes, enable Sprint Spark, band 26 and band 41. Android 4.4.4 release date on January 23, 2014. Features added: fix heartbleed, open SSL, vulnerability. Android 5.0 at tinatawag din tong Lollipop. Nirelease ito noong October 17, 2014. Features added: new design, speed improvement, battery consumption improvement. Android 5.0.1 release date December 2, 2014. Features added: bug fixes, fix issue with video playback and password failures. Android 5.0.2 release date December 19, 2014. Features added: performance improvements and bug fixes. Android 5.1 release date March 9, 2015. Features added: multiple SIM card support, quick setting shortcut to join Wi-Fi networks or control Bluetooth device, lock protection if lost or stolen, high definition voice call, stability and performance enhancement.
Supercomputer, The most powerful computers in terms of performance and data processing are the supercomputers. There are specialized and task-specific computers used by large organizations. Their computers are used for research and exploration purposes like NASA. Uses of supercomputer: space exploration, earthquake studies, weather forecasting, nuclear weapons testing. Popular supercomputers: IBM Seiyuwa in United States, Fujitsu K Computer in Japan, IBM Mira in United States, IBM Super MUC in Germany, NUDT Tianhe 1A in China. Mainframe computer. Although mainframes are not as powerful as supercomputers, but certainly they are quite expensive nonetheless, and many large firms and government organizations uses mainframes to run their business operations. Popular mainframe computers: Fujitsu's ICL-BME, Hitachi's Z800. Mini-computers. Mini-computers are used by small business and firms. Microcomputers are also called as mid-range computers. Popular mini-computers: K202, Texas Instruments TL990, SDS92, IBM mid-range computers. Microcomputers. Desktop computers, laptops, personal digital assistant or PDA, tablets and smartphones are all types of microcomputers. Well-known manufacturers of microcomputer are Dell, Apple, Samsung, Sony, and Toshiba. Desktop computers, gaming consoles, sound and navigation system of a car, netbooks, notebooks, PDAs, tablet, PCs, smartphones, calculators are all type of microcomputers.